condition. Put it. Hey, go follow my Facebook account, man. Follow my Facebook account. Then I want y'all to go follow my Instagram account, man. Instagram, IG. Y'all go do that for me. Hey man, y'all already know what time it is, man. Another episode of Micheal, man. The crazy whip edition, man. Today it is gonna be a episode of Micheal. But y'all see what's going on, man. Woo, what a mess. So got my boy just left off from over here, man. He don't dissemble, man. Why? My dad took my dash out in and everything in here for me. Yeah, we finna get everything right, man. For y'all. So these wires. I'm gonna tell y'all about these wires for a minute. But yeah, these wires go crazy. Hell. But like I said, everything gonna get put back in here, hooked up, right? He ain't old, man. Old. Yep. Told her, man, I did a temporary thing for y'all for the YouTube, man. Let y'all know, man. It don't take much to do anything. It don't take a lot of money either. Just take a combination. Take me a good old combination, man. Make it call run. And do the numbers mine dead. So like I say, I don't know about time. This next year, I have my own everything set up with turbos and everything, man. So make sure y'all stay tuned for all that. Make sure y'all stay tuned, man. So my boy finna take these wires out another day. You know what I'm saying? It's a pretty Saturday. Pole bed track. I ain't go to track today, but it's a pretty day. Bed track. Head hunters and what's it called? Coastal Dell. So y'all make sure y'all check your footage out. Not on Life of J Malcolm. We gotta go to Malcolm 2004. Check out that racing footage I was at track. But anyway, man, like I say, man, got everything loose in here. And oh yeah, I gotta show y'all my answers and stuff. I don't think I know to show y'all my answers. Jesse out of town right now. He on vacation, so like I told y'all, they don't let who do it. It'll be quicker. I ain't gotta wait on nobody. But I'm gonna show y'all my answer, so y'all stay tuned. Alright, here's my old answer, y'all. You see the C-cut eliminators on them? In my old answer, man. The 28 spline axles. They still good. That's so y'all seen. I didn't ride on them that much. Man. They brand new. C-clamp eliminators. 28 spline axles. I think I'm gonna sell them, man. If I sell them, you know what I'm saying? Somebody just give me two. $250 or $200, man. Y'all gonna have them. $250, $200, man. The eliminators, you know what I'm saying? Y'all know them things high. So like I said, I ain't ride on that much. But then the ounces, 28 spine ounces, $250, $200. You know what I'm saying? Y'all can get them. So I'm losing big time there. But anyway, here go my new ounces right here. Here my new one right here, man. I got the 31 spline. 31 spline ounces right here. I got the 3-inch. The 3-inch studs. You know what I'm saying? To go on my rims, my 24 rims. So y'all ain't gonna be seeing those. Y'all might see some 15 every now and then, but most times gonna be on rims like I always do. I ain't never took the rims on, or somehow my locks and everything on here in the rim. But like I said, this the new one. This the new one. So anyway, man, like I say, just gonna do that. Just gonna do that, man. Cause like I say, it takes too long for everybody else to do it, show up and show out. For Big Mike, like I said, Big Mike supposed being, man, he supposed be in the booth right now, man. Big Mike supposed be in the booth. Cause the paint will take a long time, and interior don't take that long. Right, y'all, I already got somebody else to do my interior while I got other stuff processed in the court system. So we're gonna have all that. We're gonna try to have all that stuff right there in the go, man. So y'all finna be a different look. Y'all finna be a different look. Different look. Y'all gonna see me and Cuz over in traffic, man. We bring back these stun days. Bring back these stun days. Not with Young Stoner, but we just been bring back with these stun days, y'all. Been bring it back for the 99 2000. But anyway, man, like I say, tell your mama, grandma, auntie, whoever, man. Y'all subscribe. Y'all subscribe. Mike and Maya, y'all. We back. Finna be back, y'all. Big Mike finna be back. You know, I'm out. Yeah, man. Me and Cuz up there pulled up. Summit, man. Yeah, they got a little car show going on. They got these vets pulling in. So y'all stay tuned. So y'all stay tuned. Why they say I'm bullshit, man? I'm there doing all that capping, man. You see it.